Hey guys, welcome to another video, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to do your lips so they look fuller without having any injections on. So without any further ado, let's get started. So the very first step that you have to make sure to do every time that you want your lips to look very healthy, natural, and all that is to exfoliate your lips. Make sure that you don't have any extra skin or dryness or anything like that. And second, use a good lip balm. While you're doing your makeup, your face makeup, your eye makeup, you should have applied your lip balm already and have the lip balm hydrate your lips, plump them, and make sure that your lips are ready for lipstick. You can actually use also a lip plumper that will help your lips to be smoother, and not necessarily the lip plumper are gonna make your lips super huge, but they're gonna look fuller because one of the components that it has helps the circulation of the blood in your lips, so that's why they become fuller. They look like a little bigger. So that's something that you can do way before you apply your lipstick. I wouldn't recommend that you apply your lip plumper as your final step on the process, like after you apply the lip color, because sometimes the lip plumper like breaks apart the lipstick and it doesn't look nice. So that's on that. And the next step is I usually love to apply 2 colors of nude lipstick. Depending on your skin tone, of course, the darker one is going to vary. In my case, I'm using a very dark brown and like a mid-tone nude. And these are Coqueta liner and Bonbon liner from Alamar Cosmetics. These are my favorite, super creamy, super nice. And what I'm gonna do is I'm going to start with the darkest one. So you're gonna apply just a tiny bit above the line. Don't go too far away because this is a very dark color. So if you go too far away, what it's going to do is it's going to look very fake on you. I know I have big lips and you're gonna be like, yeah, you have big lips, so you don't have to overline that much. But I'm going to teach you a little trick so it looks better or more natural if you have smaller lips than I do. Okay, and this is how it's going to look now. I'm not gonna fill my lips with this color. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to not necessarily fill my lips with this one, but I'm going to go inside with the other color. So next to this color that I already applied, I'm gonna go with the lighter nude color and basically do another line inside. This is going to help my lips have like an ombre effect. And I'm going to mix the 2 colors together a little bit. I'm going to still leave some of the brown on the outside, but I'm going to mix this one a little bit with the brown so I can have more of that ombre effect. You can do this, and when you do that, it makes a little bit more the products so they look a little bit more natural. It doesn't look like you have a very structured line on your lip. If you are the person that doesn't love the Cupid's bow here, that doesn't necessarily love the heart shape or anything like that, this is the color that you should use to erase that. But the very first one, like the dark one, you should do exactly like your lips look like. So if your lips have that natural heart shape, just follow the shape, and with the next color you're going to go over that. So you want to erase that, just go over it with this shade because this is going to help to look a little bit more natural. Okay, now that we have that done, this is how it looks already very big. So it should be very nice and look natural on your lips. And what I'm gonna do now is apply the lipstick. Generally, I like to use cool tones because cool tones, since they have that little grayish undertone, it actually helps the lips look a little bit bigger in comparison to a warm tone, since it has that little orange or red undertone. So your lips are going to look smaller because it's a little darker than a cool tone. A cool tone tends to be also lighter in tone. So the one that I'm using right now is Muted by Juvia's Place, and this one I'm going to use it in the center of the lips. So only in the center like this. And when I do this, I also mix the outside a little bit more with this tone. If you want a little bit more volume here, like in the center of your lips, just apply it a little bit more in here without going all the way to this side of the lips, like the sides of the lip. Apply more of the color to the center. Help distribute the color also with your fingers. That helps you also blend so they look even more natural. But right now, I feel like my lips look super, super nice and very big. And this is without any lip plumper or nothing. I didn't use anything before the video, so I didn't apply any lip plumper, nothing like that, only lip balm. You can leave it like this, matte, if that's the look that you're going for, or you can apply a little bit of lip gloss. I love these lip glosses by Fenty. These are the Fenty Beauty Cream Lip Glosses. They actually came out with ones that have a little bit of lip plumping effect, but they're not like super extreme. So you can use them on top of your lip products and it's not gonna look weird. And this one is in the shade Honey Waffles. And what I'm gonna do is I'm going to apply this one only in the center, so only in here. Again, use your fingers whenever you see that something hasn't blended well, or if you feel you applied too much product, just use your fingers and finish application. You can go back to the lip liner if you feel you need a little bit more. Like I feel I need a little bit here and in here. And I need a little bit more of this brown shade. And this is how I do the lips whenever I really want the lips to look very, very big. For example, on me, this is like already huge. You're gonna see the difference on the before and after. But another trick that I'm going to show you if you have really small lips is to use a cream bronzer, and you're gonna apply that cream bronzer in here this way. Of course, make sure you blend it very well. With a small brush, you're gonna apply the lip bronzer in here, and you're gonna apply also a little bit on top of your lips. You're gonna apply in here all the way. It's kind of the technique that Scott Barnes do on J-Lo. He always does this technique that he actually put bronzer all around her mouth, and whenever you see the makeup finish, it's like she has super huge lips, and she actually doesn't have those big lips, but he tricks the eye using light and shadow. So that's basically what he's doing. That's why he's making the lips look very, very full. That's why I recommend that you use a maybe 2 shades darker of a lip liner and do that around your mouth. So you create that illusion that your lips are actually bigger without necessarily using the contour technique that Scott Barnes uses, for example. That doesn't look natural if you use it every day or for a natural look. And that's it, guys. That's all for this video. It's a very short video, but I think it's meaty. I hope you guys love it, and if you did, don't forget to share it with your friends. Give me thumbs up. Of course, subscribe to this channel. Make sure that you're subscribed because there's more tips and more stuff that are coming up on the next videos. And I see you on the next one. Bye bye. Yo.